today I am travelling. Hello, by the way. Hi, nice to see everyone. Quick note, this girl was not prepared, so apologies for the terrible audio and lack of preparation. Today I am travelling to Gunma. So I've come here to see a friend, which will be really exciting. I'm here for a few days over Golden Week, and sorry, it's so bright. So I want to film a bit and show you what Gunma looks like, because I've never been here, so I think it would be nice to take a look together. So hopefully this will be interesting. I'm very interested, obviously, so yeah, let's see what happens. Join me as I explore a little bit of Gunma. Getting it done.
And she's woke up to do that. Which I'm like, so I know that's not gonna go well. He told me, can you not get the individual breaks? The student might find it scary. I'm like, sir, get the fuck out of my face.
I feel like it's clean air. I feel like I'm gonna. I can breathe. Yeah, you can't quite see anything. Sorry. I will try to improve the lighting in post.
We are literally just 10 minutes away from my place.
Really?
Yeah.
Stop. It's so beautiful. Can you always think that, oh, the main road is all there is?
It's like it gets so lost in the mundane. It's like, okay, there's an alleyway here, but how else would we go from place to place if it weren't for these?
I can never drink. I'll be on fell down these damn stairs.
Oh my god, yeah, I'll die actually.
Or on 102nd. There's more out there, I swear. This is beautiful, look.
That is stunning.
Look at that. That's the dream, to own one.
Oh stop, that's actually my dream.
See?
That's so nice.
It's so cozy. Imagine this in its raining, right?
Oh, stop. That'd be so nice.
It's not so crowded. You know,
I know,
a place
it's
like
nice.
this would be so crowded in Tokyo.
Yeah, it's true.
Natural spring water.
Holy shit.
Oh, the steps are beautiful. So stunning.
Oh, sorry.
Konbanwa.
Oh. They have like this spoon. People so used to smell like that. Yeah, I've been taking a picture.
No, we should take a picture.
Oh, there you go.
Down is, yeah, down.
Sounds easy.
Down is my shit. Hell to the yeah.
I've been drinking. Last night was like 9 degrees.
Well, really cold. Is it gonna rain tomorrow?
Ah, that I haven't checked yet.
I brought an umbrella just in case.
Are you serious? Is it gonna rain tomorrow?
It's likely to rain tomorrow.
Ooh,
Thanks,
fuck.
Siri.
That's the point of road trips in Japan. You stop on Michi.
Yeah, I made a whole intro, but the audio was so poor, I completely decided to scrap it.
Like the road stops.
Road trip! Wow, that's so beautiful, and the clouds and the mountains.
That is beautiful.
Yeah, it's stunning.
I would take a picture, but I have ice cream. I want to get in that water.
Yeah, me too. If it was sunny. That's so cool. Atsu. That's so cool, man. Wow. Beautiful. So cute. Oh my god. Wow. I don't know, beautiful. It's so Oh my god.
There's not so many people today.
I can imagine on a nice day it's packed, yeah.
It is.
Oh my god. It's stunning.
You want to try it? You want to try it? It's
gonna
pudding
have
in like
to.
a bottle. Pretty famous. It's pretty
Yeah, I'm gonna
famous.
try one. Fuck it, why not?
Call it Onsen pudding.
What's it look like?
Took it out of the pack. Bring out your Mickey for a picture.
I'm gonna keep this forever, this little jar.
Yes.
Oh, so you guys also paid for the bottles? Oh, because it's mochikairi.
Yeah.
Not gonna be. I'm not being funny. I want an onsen duck. Look at him! Look at it! Ta-da-dun. He's so cute.
Looks like a real tuba.
It does. It is. Is it not? Yeah, it is. Da da da! What is this store?
Oh, this is a Ghibli store. Wanna check it out?
Yeah, I'm going as well.
Let's go.
Yes, somebody say yes, I'm walking away. I'm walking.
Art Cafe is that oh. So Sean and I are gonna stay here. Oh, you're
Oh,
here.
yes.
We're gonna send you a little bit on my there, remember? By the top. I'm not sure.
But that's like if it's not too expensive.
Bye. Bye.
They're for sale. There is an open air bath under Fudo Falls. The whole area, including the riverbed, is now a town park.
Be careful.
Which one is this?
Shima. Shima.
Shima.
Shima means island.
Oh wait a minute, this hill, Jesus. I've been in the car. Had blood clots.
Oh my god.
Oh, now this is the one. This is
Toilet break.
Toilet break. Yes. Oh my god, it's so fucking crazy.
This is what inspired Spirited Away.
Oh my god, it's beautiful.
Right, stunning.
It's also massive. You're far where we are, you can see it.
Explore what's there.
Can you stick this out the window?
You stay in the car.
I want to push the button.
No.
Push the button! There's a button! Push it, please, push the button.
Hey, you no.
Where? There's a button?
Right there. Oh, I'm
Oh,
gonna,
try,
if you-
press,
oh, yes,
press it,
please,
press
push
it,
the
press it,
button.
press
Push
it.
They're all gonna dance. It's so.
Oh, Nikki.
Oh, they've even got little children. Oh my god. I really like it, but it's really scary.
Yeah, they are. They are.
Oh my god, look at, I love it.
Yeah. Yes. Hey. Where's the sun coming from? Ah, here.
That's a Is that the sound of a dog?
Yeah.
I got my license in Alaska.
You can make coffee.
Yes. I have lived many lives. Miko, how far is the high?
Konnichiwa. Oh, kawaii. Konnichiwa. Whoa, Miko, look up. That's stunning. And look down, look all around. Is it me you're looking for?
It didn't do the echo.
Is that a face? No. That's so cool.
Hello, hello, it's me. Hello. To help somebody if they fall.
Yeah, we'll catch them.
They're not gonna help any damn body.
I must have called 1,000 times.
It's really nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Wowzers!
It's high.
It's a ninja! It's actually a ninja. Beautiful! Why is this here? Wow. You can hear the waterfall.
It's saying the waterfalls is over there.
Is it? Take your sunglasses off. Show them some respect. Oh, so cool. That's so cool, eh? Oh my god.
Beautiful.
So beautiful. Oh my god.
Mike, now it's Sully. My Mike and Sully. So.
Mike and Sully.
Yes.
Nico's looking so beautiful, picturesque, model. Oh my god, I don't even know what I'm doing. Hey, so I filmed these clips and I didn't think I was going to be making a video out of it. But I decided to because I thought it'd be nice, I thought it'd be fun to pop onto my YouTube. But I didn't do a proper intro, I didn't explain where I was, I did no outro. I thought I'd just quickly explain what I thought of it and Gunma in general. But I had an absolutely incredible time. It was beautiful. As you can see, we went to beautiful onsen towns. We climbed, we did a lot of hiking, a lot of climbing. The waterfall was outstanding. That was on our last day, and then I had to leave really early the next morning. I say really early, it's like 10 AM, it's not that early. Overall, I would highly recommend it. There's little things I wish I showed that I didn't. For example, when you drive, there's areas called melody roads where when the car goes over it, the vibrations of the car will start to play a song, which was incredible. Yeah, there's just lots of stuff that was amazing. So I would highly recommend going to Gunma. I had an amazing time. I'll try and put in disclaimers and where I went in between the shots or on the shots. I hope I did it. And I'm hoping to make more. Next time, be better prepared. This is the first time I filmed a trip that I did. Usually I try not to because I want to live in the moment. But I think it might be quite nice. I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed spending time with my friends and seeing them. And yeah, let me know if there's any areas you'd like me to go see. But thank you so much for watching the video. I know I've been such a terrible content creator. I haven't been on Twitch. I haven't been making loads of videos regularly, but it's just life, right? It gets busy, but I hope to. I really enjoy it. I really enjoy showing what I'm doing, and hopefully you enjoyed it too. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and all that good stuff. And yeah, hopefully I will have another video coming at some point. Okay, cool. Take care. Thank you for watching if you made it this far. If you made it this far, put a little waterfall emoji in the chat. I don't think there is one. Maybe a torii gate would make more sense. Sorry about the sound, it was terrible. I wasn't prepared really to, like I said, make it into a video. I just wanted to capture the clips. Sorry for the sound, sorry for some of the darkness. Cool, love you all, see you next time, bye.